Morning, students and teachers. Mr. Jones with your weekly Tuesday video update. Hard to believe that we are about 3.5 weeks away till the end of school. It has gone by incredibly fast, but we're going to start off today with a couple shout outs. First, I want to give a huge shout out to our choir students. If you were able to come see the pop show over the last weekend, you know how amazing it was. Just incredibly impressed. The performances were incredible. You guys are awesome. So great job. And then just overall students, thank you guys again last week. As many of you guys know, we hosted a group from Taiwan for almost the entire day last Tuesday. We visited classrooms, we had our culinary students make lunch, and it was just an awesome day. The entire group was very, very impressed with Plano East, and I know that some of you also got an opportunity to talk to and meet the students from Taiwan. But thank you again for always being great ambassadors when we have visitors and being respectful and kind. And then finally, I also want to give you guys a shout out for being flexible and respectful and listening yesterday when we had the issues with the power outages. I know they were only off for about 5 minutes at a time, but that can really, throw off your lessons and your activities for the day. So thank you guys for paying attention to your teachers and being flexible. All right, some big events coming up, especially for you seniors. Seniors next week. In the cafeteria, counselors are going to be working on graduation cord distribution. There are only certain approved cords that you can wear for graduation, and your counselors can help guide you to that. A big one that we started last year that many students are hoping to earn and get is the CCMR graduation cord, which every senior is eligible to receive if they are CCMR ready. If you are not CCMR ready or you're not sure if you are, you need to ask your counselor or your assistant principal, because there is a couple opportunities still to get that and earn that cord, but again, you need to talk to them. We've got a lot of AP and IB testing coming up. Make sure you guys are using your school devices, having those charged and updated, and talking to your teachers so that you're prepared for your AP and IB exams. We are looking at finding out for sure, but we were told that this year we have more students taking AP exams than ever before. More AP exams being administered than ever before, and that is a huge accomplishment. So we know you guys are all going to do your best as you work towards your AP and IB exams. Reminder, exemptions for you seniors, and if you're an underclassman, for waivers. The cell phone law does apply. If you've got an ISS for your phone, you are ineligible to be exempt or have a waiver. And I say that now because we need to make sure that we are finishing the year with those phones out in class, especially. That is the primary focus for us. You should not be on your phone at all during class time. All right, just a reminder for that. This Friday is decision day that the counselors are putting on in the cafeteria during both lunches. For you, if you want to come down and celebrate and be a part of that, where students are making their final decision on what universities they're going to attend. We've got the senior luncheon coming up. We're going to have graduation practice in the next couple weeks. There's just a lot of events, and we'll be making sure you guys are updated all along the way. And then finally, if you have a release period in the afternoon, 7th period or 6th and 7th period, reminder that you can't stay on campus. It is a safety concern, so you do have to leave if you have one of those release periods. If you have certain special circumstances, talk to your AP's office and their sub-school, and they're going to help you out. All right, guys, that's all the announcements. Let's make today great. Let's finish this week strong and keep winning with class.